Gogi Bhatt nephews booked on power theft charges. Lesco spokesman. A big theft of electricity was caught on the road in Gwalmandi area. Gogi Bhatt nephews Salman and Usman were found involved in electricity theft. Spokesman Lesco. During its ongoing grand anti-power theft campaign, the Lahore Electric Supply Company Lesco found Salman and Usman, nephew of Gogi Bhatt, stealing electricity from the main supply line in Gwalmandi subdivision of the company. The Lesco spokesman disclosed to media here Friday that the accused were using the stolen electricity in a commercial building, Royal Plaza, and causing hundreds of thousands of rupees revenue losses to Lesco. He added that Lesco inspection team disconnected the illegal connection and seized the wires and meter used in the theft, besides imposing a fine of 1.7 million in the form of a deduction bill. While a case has also been registered against both the accused in the area police station and legal proceedings have been initiated. Cameraman Mohammad Hassan beside Malik Mohammad Imran, Ab Tak Time News.